Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the best products that can upgrade your day-to-day life. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an amazing gaming monitor from KTC Gaming Monitor, the 27-inch QHD. This monitor is a total game changer, and I'm not just talking about its sleek design, although, let me tell you, it's a stunner. What really sets this monitor apart is its incredible specs and features. So, buckle up, folks, because we're about to dive into the juicy details. First off, let's talk about the gaming part of this monster, the 210Hz refresh rate. That might sound like a lot of numbers, but trust me when I say it makes all the difference in your gaming experience. With a response time of just 1 millisecond, you'll notice that your games are running smoother than ever before. No more pesky tearing or stuttering, this baby's got it covered. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about motion blur? Well, let me tell you, adaptive sync technology is like having a personal guardian angel for your screen. It eliminates all that pesky motion blur and ghosting, so you can focus on the game itself, not on what's happening on your screen. But it's not just gaming where this monitor shines. The QHD resolution, that means 2560 by 1440 pixels, brings clearer and more detailed images to your day-to-day life. It's like having a mini TV right in front of you. And with a whopping 450 candelas per square meter brightness, you can enjoy those bright colors without any strain on your eyes. And then there's HDR400, oh boy, is this technology cool. It makes dark areas look more detailed and bright areas look more vivid. Imagine watching your favorite movie or TV show on this monitor, and it's like having a whole new level of immersion. The fast IPS panel ensures accurate color performance and viewing angles, so you can enjoy that cinematic experience without any distractions. Now, let's talk about connectivity because, let's face it, we're all about flexibility when it comes to our devices. This monitor has got you covered with two HDMI 2.0 ports, that means 144Hz refresh rate, two DP 1.4 ports, which can be overclocked to 210Hz. One USB 2.0 port for upgrades, and an earphone jack, that's a lot of options. But it's not just about the tech specs, this monitor is also designed with comfort in mind. The low blue light technology helps reduce eye strain, so you can enjoy your screen without any discomfort. And with a tilt adjustment range of -5 degrees to 15 degrees, you can position the monitor to suit your needs. Lastly, let's talk about accessibility and energy efficiency. This monitor is designed to be energy-friendly, which means it won't drain your wallet or your environment. Plus, its wall mount compatibility makes it super easy to install and move around. So there you have it, folks. The KTC 27-inch QHD Gaming Monitor is a beast of a product that's sure to elevate your day-to-day life. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or just someone who loves staying connected, this monitor has got you covered. Trust me when I say it's worth checking out, and for the best price, be sure to click on the link below.